Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Metz TV and I'm going to show you how you can download apps for this TV. So first you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or Ethernet cable, and then you have to open the apps. So we have to go for this red apps button, click OK to open, and go for the Google Play Store. You have to be also logged in with your Google account. And right now, if you are looking for any application, like for example, I would like to get this game, the Bomber Friends. So click on it once and then select install. Click OK on your remote control. Okay, that's some kind of the information about the gamepad, so we can click continue. And now, right now we have to just wait until the download will be finished. Okay, as you can see right now the app is installed, so we can open it. As you can see, everything is fine, the application is working. We can simply open it. And right now I'm going to show you also where you can find all of these install apps. So let me just go back for the main home screen. Okay, we have to just wait a little bit because it's a little bit laggy. Okay, we finally shut down this application. So when you open the apps on the home screen, application will be right here on the Games tab. So all apps that you download we will find right here. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.